Twitter is one of the central places online when it comes to the Rome research community, or as some like to say, the Rome cult. It is a great place to connect with many of the most important accounts, such as Rome Research itself, Conor White-Sullivan, the CEO, Rome Brain, and many, many more.
Psych!
As time progresses, you will most likely discover a plethora of gems that you would like to import into your Rome graph for later reference. Here's how. As you scroll through your Twitter timeline and come across a tweet you would like to add to your graph, click on the share button and copy the link to the tweet. Then head on over to your Rome graph, click within the block you would like to add it to, right click and paste in the URL. Once it's there, either hit return or escape, and voila, you now have a beautifully formatted tweet on display. And the best part is, when you click on it, you will be taken right back to the original page on Twitter where you can see it within its initial context again. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe, as there is more coming very soon. Thanks for watching.
I was in a cult.